Hey, welcome. Today I gonna talk about Python. Python is widely accepted as the best programming language for beginner developers, as it is simple and easy to use and learn. You may have some questions: what is Python? Where is Python used? And, how does Python work? Today, I gonna answer these questions. Python is a high-level programming language that uses instruction to teach the computer to perform tasks. Python is an easy-to-learn, powerful programming language. A language that is closer to human language like English. Python is a free and open-source language. It was developed by Guido van Rossum, and was released in 1991. Where is Python used? Python is used to create web applications. Python is also used in game development. Create desktop applications, machine learning, and data science. How does Python work? First, we write instructions in English-based Python language. Python is an interpreter language, so there is no need to compile them. Python programs run directly through source code. The source code is converted into intermediate bytecode and then into the native language of the computer internally by the Python interpreter. The code is executed, and the output is presented. Hope you get the basic knowledge about Python in less than 2 minutes. If you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Because I had a lot of hard work to make these videos for you to teach the programming knowledge with the animations. I believe this is an interesting way to learn programming in less time. Thanks for watching.